Welcome to FinXo Capital Daily News, bringing you the most impactful financial market headlines. Let's dive into the day's market activities and explore the underlying economic indicators. First up, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 closed at record highs yesterday, boosted by gains in tech stocks. Investors are riding the momentum from November's strong performance, anticipating key economic data like the jobs report on Friday. Meanwhile, the Dow dipped slightly by 0.29%, closing at 44,782. Tech giants such as Tesla and Meta led the charge, with Tesla shares up 3.5% following a raised price target. Strategists are optimistic about steady market growth into year-end, though uncertainties remain about the new administration's economic plans. And in Asia, tech stocks propelled markets higher, following Wall Street's record highs. Japan's Nikkei gained 1.6%, and South Korea's Kospi rose 1.7%, reflecting strong investor sentiment. However, Chinese stocks faced challenges, with the Hang Seng and mainland indices dipping as tariff concerns and a weaker yuan weighed on sentiment. Traders are closely watching developments in US-China trade tensions and the political instability in France that has also impacted global currencies. Turning to Forex news, the dollar held steady near a 6-week low against the yen amid speculation about rate hikes in Japan. The yen showed strength, with traders pricing a 58% chance of a December rate increase. Meanwhile, the euro stumbled to $1.0488 as France's government faces collapse over a budget impasse. In China, the yuan hit a 13-month low, pressured by ongoing tariff threats from the US president-elect. Traders are gearing up for key economic data, including Friday's payroll report, to refine their Fed rate expectations. Now, let's talk about interest rates. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller hinted at a quarter-point rate cut at the December 17, 18 meeting. This follows inflation data suggesting stalled progress and ongoing concerns about restrictive monetary policy. Investors are closely eyeing this week's JOLTS job openings report and private sector job growth data, which could influence the Fed's decision. The 2-year Treasury yield dipped back toward a 4-week low, reinforcing expectations of easing policies. Finally, in commodities, gold prices held steady at $2,636 per ounce, awaiting insights from this week's U.S. economic data. Oil prices traded within a narrow range, with Brent crude at $71.97 per barrel. Markets are cautious ahead of the OPEC+ meeting, where production cuts might be extended into next year. Weak global demand and China's projected oil consumption peak continue to pressure prices, while geopolitical tensions in the Middle East add uncertainty. That's all from FinXo Capital Daily News for today. As the earnings season unfolds and more economic data comes in, we'll be here to cover all the key developments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.